Welcome to our channel, Giggle and Learn with us.
Hi friends, I'm Anshu. Have you ever looked at the sky and wondered, how do these big things fly up there? Today we're learning about air transport, vehicles that travel in the sky. Ready? Let's fly! Air transport means traveling through the air. It is the fastest way to travel long distances. That's why airplanes zoom across countries in just a few hours. Long ago, people could only dream about flying. But in 1903, two brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, built the first successful airplane. It flew for only 12 seconds, but it changed the world forever.
Names of air vehicles. Aeroplane.
These are the airplanes we travel in. They have wings, engines, and can carry many people.
Jet.
Jets are super fast. Some are used by the Air Force and fly faster than sound.
Helicopter.
Helicopters don't have wings. They fly using spinning blades. They can stay still in the air like magic. They help in rescue work and carry sick people too. Fun fact, helicopters can land in very tiny places, like the roof of a hospital.
Hot air balloon.
This is one of the oldest flying vehicles. It rises using hot air. Look how beautiful and slow it is. Fun fact, hot air balloons were the first successful human-carrying flying machines.
Glider.
Gliders fly without engines. They glide smoothly using wind.
Drone.
Drones are small flying machines used for photos, deliveries, and fun.
Parachute.
Parachutes help people float safely from the sky to the ground. Okay, friends, time for a quick quiz. Which one flies using spinning blades?
Helicopter.
Amazing! Today we learned about airplanes, jets, helicopters, hot air balloons, drones, gliders, and parachutes. Air transport helps us travel fast and reach far places. Next time you see something flying, wave and say, "Hi!"